Hi everyone, I am 𝐂𝐨𝐧𝐬𝐨𝐫𝐭𝢢𝐮 and this is Scoring 15. Hi, welcome back to another week of Scoring 15. This week we're going to start a new cluster. A cluster is going to be a specific topic that we're going to talk about for several weeks. And it seemed appropriate that the first cluster we would be talking about in the beginning of the year is something that also is very important in the beginning of the process of starting a proposal. I am talking about consortium building. I think that 90% of the requests that I get in first stage of the client discussion is, okay, what is the consortium? What should it be about? How many partners? Who are the partners? Where are the partners? In this cluster, we're going to talk everything about consortium building. And today, as the starter session about consortiums, what I want to suggest to you is that you look at the call very closely. We can never talk about consortium without knowing exactly what is the topic that we are replying to, because it's totally dependent on that. So if you don't have any topic you're looking at and you're just looking at having a good network, okay, start thinking about entities that are connected to your area, that are complementary to your area, and build your network around that. But when you have identified a topic, then you can really start funneling and understanding what are the best partners. My advice for today is the first thing you must do is read the call topic with very attentive eyes when it comes to types of entities or locations or case studies, pilots that the call topic is asking about. If they say they want to test something in a city, you will need a city as a partner, at least one. If they say that they want to have 3 to 5 pilots, well, you will need as many partners as are needed for one pilot. So you also need to start thinking around it. If they say they want a specific scientific area, well, you need to look at your network and think, who do I know around this area that I can invite to participate with me? So I'm leaving with this advice. Read carefully the topic, do the matching as I suggested to you, and let me know how it went. See you next week.